Hello, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself to get Johnsonkeyz. Right, today I want to show you a very nice flat 5-7-3-6 chord in the key of C. Right. So I'll do my intro style. I'll do a demonstration for. So I'll be using this song. I love this family of God so closely knitted into one. They have taken me. Now it comes here, flat 5. And I'm so glad to be a part of this. The family. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these chords. Flat 5-7-3-6, 6 then to 2. A part of this great family. Alright, so but before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you should do that. You can see the syllabus on the screen and the flyer. Alright, so if you want to get that, check the about section of the page for the seller link. So you just click that seller link, you're going to get, you'll be able to buy it there, or you can chat me directly on WhatsApp. My contact is there. It's 75 for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. Alright, so the other courses also have a lot of other courses. If you are struggling with how to play on all keys, you want to learn, you need finger exercise. I have courses like that. Right? Okay. So you need all those type of finger exercise, brain twist and co. I have those courses, all right, on my seller store, so you can get them convert your fingers to flexible ones. Okay, so let's go back to what we're going to learn today. So that information was actually for everyone, most people. So that wasn't a digression, but it was actually for most people because the intermediate course is really is a great one. It's a great value that every pianist should have in the arsenal, right? So where do we use flat 5-7-3-6? Mostly it's used in place of 4-5-3-6. So any song that has so that part should have been they have taken me 4 into their 5 and I'm 3. So glad to be 6. So but instead of that we do they have taken me. Instead of going to 5, we now go to flat 5. Flat 5. I'm so glad to be a part of the great family. Right? So now, so you know the root already. The root is we have a flat. I'm in the key of C. I guess I mentioned that at the beginning. And also I've done this for F, and I've done this for F sharp also. You can check the previous lessons below, and then also comment, let me know which country you're watching from also. Okay, so the root here is F sharp, that's a G flat, that's a flat 5. 7 is B, E is 3, then A is 6. Alright, so A is 6 also. So that's how that goes. So okay, I don't know why this camera light went off. Okay, so but I hope you can still see this. The chord I'm playing for that is for my flat 5. I'll just call out the notes. I have on the left hand, you can write, I have G flat and B flat, G flat and B flat on the left, Then on the right hand, I have a E, A, C, right? So, so I was in because when I do when that is and like 6, 7. So my 7 chord on the left, I have a B. So just write for this B, F sharp, and A on the left, right? This is G flat actually in this case. All right. So then on the right we have E flat and B on the right. So I'm doing B. Then because I'm trying to play the melody line alongside the chords, just like you see most professional lead guitarists do. People who can actually play their notes, their melody line when playing their chords, they're actually the pro, right? So for the 3, you have your root, that's E on the left. Then on the right, you can either do D, G, B flat, or B flat, E, G, any of them. Then a regular 6 chord. Alright, so it's a regular 6 chord, maybe something like A, E, A on the left. On the right, you have a B, C sharp, E, and A. Right, then you go to your 2 chord. It's good fun. Really. So most of these other chords also I've taught them in other lessons. If you watch this channel, you notice we have over 900 videos. We didn't do them just to do them sake. We actually did them for you to watch. So watch some of those other chords. I've taught them in other videos also. So don't forget to get the intermediate piano course. It's going to help you. My finger exercise, get that. So get my finger exercise course. You're going to learn a lot. Right, you're going to learn a lot from that. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.